That hurts. No.
Jessica, remember? Come on, do a tail whip. It's not that hard. Just try. My first time trying it, I got it halfway.
Dude, lawn chair.
No more, I don't want bike breaking.
Just one more time.
I can't afford new
I
parts.
need to go faster, dude, and stick to the bike.
I can barely afford to replace my engine.
You need to go faster. I don't know what I did. Oh, that was gay. I can't even do nothing. My fucking shoes.
Jesus.
What?
That's funny.
I have shoes like that.
scary.
But
That was scary. That was pretty funny.
I'll get back up there.
I have black ones like that, but they're DCs. Can you bunny hop over to the curb?
Huh?
Can you bunny hop onto the curb?
Yeah.
I can't do that yet. My bike's too heavy for me.
Go back down.
I'm so glad I have my metal pedals on right now.
What's up? Alright, slide down. You're gonna eat shit. That's
I'm gonna go
funny.
down on a skateboard.
You're gonna go down that on the skateboard?
Even if you do a 180,
Alright, do it.
it's not the fakie.
Okay, so,
So it makes it harder.
no, I'm not gonna do it.
Go do it.
No, because if you 180, you have to land in the fakie, or else it's not a 180.
I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna eat it, dude. I'm not gonna do it.
Oh, you so far.
Here, don't knock that off.
Manuel.
I'm tired. Let's get up there, dude.
Let's go.
Watch
Go
what?
down here, okay?
Watch your, where is it at? Yeah.
Shit, I slide down this thing.
Yeah, do it. Go up there.
That's your monkey on me. Oh, shit.
Have become comfortably numb.
You're gonna be a monkey like me.
Come on, monkeys. Oh no.
Look at Jessica doing
Jeremy, you suck. Come on, Jeremy. Oh, that's funny.
We're gonna gap this and slide down fast.
I'll watch. I'm not doing that. I feel like a monkey.
Oh. Oh, that's funny. Dude. Oh my god, you are so
I'm always
dumb.
getting hurt, God.
I'm gonna do it again.
That's funny.
Let's do it again.
No. So now I'm just gonna hit my ass straight on the curb.
Face first, dude.
That would suck.
You would.
Like catch forward and fly forward. Catch my feet and fly forward. Oh, dude, go in there, Noah. What's in there?
Hey.
It's like a tree house. I want to go up there.
You know what I call it? That's a nice smoke spot.
Yeah,
You
for
go
real.
up there?
I've never been up.
Not yet, but now she has a good idea.
It'd be a good smoke spot.
I'm videotaping because Manuel, are those your new pants?
Yep.
It's awesome.
Hey,
you have
you
a
crapped
big,
yourself.
big grass ass stain, man.
You have a big grass stain on your butt.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. Not really.
Come on, Jeremy, you can make it up there.
I could.
Are you gonna do it? You can do it. I believe in you. Come on, Jeremy.
I'm gonna drop in on this. It's not gonna turn out well. Where are
they? Don't pull the sprinkler out. How are you gonna get down? Jessica Day as she performs on her bike. Cirque du Soleil. Action. What? Are you serious?
Where'd that come from?
They just threw it down here. It's up there apparently.
To reach it.
Somebody's stash up there? Start digging.
Dude, Manuel's climbing the tree.
That's funny.